47 operations. That's what Make.com burned to qualify a single lead for one of my clients. The same agent on N8N, one execution. If you're a solopreneur picking between Make.com and N8N for AI agents, and every YouTuber is telling you no code is the answer, you're about to walk into a pricing trap. I'll show you the exact two bills side by side. The operation math at 500 leads a month, and the moment the no-code promise breaks. Most tutorials stop at the happy part. I ship these for paying clients. Let's start with the bill. Here's the setup. A client needed a lead qualification agent. Form comes in, enrich the contact, score them with an LM, route hot leads to Telegram, drop the rest in a CRM. Standard intake flow, nothing exotic. We prototyped it in Make.com because that's where most non-technical founders start, and the template library makes it look like a 5-minute job. It was for the first version, then the bill arrived. Let me walk you through what Make.com actually counts as an operation, because this is the part the marketing page glosses over. Every module run is one op. Every iterator step is one op. Every iterator step is one op. Every HTTP call, every router branch, every aggregator pass, every data store read, every error handler retry, one op each. So the moment your AI agent needs to loop through enrichment sources, retry a failed API call, branch on score, and write to 2 destinations, you are not running one scenario. You are running 12 modules, and several of them fire more than once per lead. We measured it, the Make.com version of this agent, 12 modules in the canvas, average 47 operations per lead end to end. Some leads hit 60 when enrichment retry. At 500 leads a month, that's roughly 23,500 operations. The core plan caps at 10,000. The Pro plan at 10,000 also, just with more features. You're forced onto teams at $99 a month minimum, and if volume grows to 2,000 leads, you're staring at the next tier. The no-code tax is not the subscription. It's the operation multiplier on anything that loops, retries, or branches, which is exactly what an AI agent does. Now the N80N version. Same logic, rebuilt on a self-hosted instance running on a small home server. 4 nodes, a webhook trigger, a function node that orchestrates the enrichment and LM call. In one execution context, a switch for routing, and the output nodes. One workflow execution per lead. Retries are native. You set them on the node itself. No extra billable steps. Memory between steps is just a variable. Conditional branching is a single switch node, not a router plus 3 filters. Marginal cost per lead, after the LM token spend, which both versions share, is 0. Here's the honest math at 500 leads a month. Make.com par, roughly $99 baseline, climbing fast if any enrichment source gets chatty. N8N self-hosted, server cost amortized across every other automation the business runs, so call it $5 to $15 allocated. Annualized, that's a $1,000 swing on a single agent. Now stack 3 or 4 agents on the same business, which is what most operators end up doing. And you're looking at the difference between a tool that pays for itself and one that quietly eats your margin. I'm not telling you Make.com is bad. For linear 5-step automations, a form to a Slack message, a calendar event to a follow-up email, it's genuinely faster to ship, and the visual canvas is excellent. The trap is specifically with AI agents, because agents need 3 things. Make.com prices punitively, loops over variable length lists, retry logic on flaky LM calls, and conditional memory between steps. Every one of those is an operation multiplier. What I do for clients now is simple. If the workflow is linear and runs under 1,000 times a month, Make.com is fine, and the speed of shipping wins. has loops, retries, or sub-workflows, or volume is above a few hundred runs a day, we go straight to N8N on a small VPS or a home server. Setup time is maybe 2 hours longer the first time. After that, every new agent we add is marginal cost zero. That's the leverage. The lead qualification agent I described is one of about a dozen we run for small businesses doing inbound. Intake, qualification, enrichment, routing, follow-up sequences, all stitched together on the same N8N instance, talking to Gmail, the CRM, Telegram, and the invoicing system. One coherent stack. No per operation meter running in the background. If you want to see the actual systems we ship for clients, the lead agents, the inbox triage, the invoicing automations, head over to BizflowAI.io. While you're here, hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next automation breakdown lands in your feed. And if you've got a workflow that's eating your week, book a free 30-minute discovery call at BizflowAI.io. And we'll map out exactly what it would take to automate it end to end.